Well, Danville animal control officers say it was the worst animal cruelty case that they have ever seen. Now, the owner of a pit bull found in horrible shape will spend 4 months in jail. Tola Adamson is live in Danville with the sentence for Ella Easley.
Dana, it's hard to forget that picture of Dawn. Back in August, police say she was found in a small pen covered in flies and maggots with a 12-inch chain wrapped so tightly around her neck it was cutting into the skin. Yesterday, a Danville Circuit Court judge sentenced Easley to a year in jail with 8 months suspended. She's no longer allowed to have companion animals. That's the result of an appeal in the case. Easley and her mother, Paula, were originally sentenced to 6 months in jail. That was in November. The Easleys appealed, and yesterday's sentence is the result for Ella. As for Paula Easley's sentencing, well, the Danville Commonwealth's Attorney's Office tells me right now Paula Easley is a fugitive. She failed to turn up to 2 appeal trials. Danville police are looking for her. For now, the Danville Area Humane Society is glad justice is being served.
We don't get as upset as some people do about the length or the time of the sentence. What we like is accountability, and she was found guilty and sentenced to a reasonable amount of time in jail, and also she cannot own any more companion animals, and that's a very good thing.
The Danville Area Humane Society says Dawn is doing much better, and she's a very happy and healthy dog. She is now up for adoption. Live in Danville, Tola Adamson.